Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Dehlia. If this is your first time here, welcome to the family. So today I'll be doing another reaction video to King and Shay again. If you didn't watch my last reaction video to King and Shay, I will link it down. Oh, why can't I talk? I will link it down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the notification bell so that you can be notified when we put out videos. I said in my previous video that I'll be getting a little bit more consistent. I've had this YouTube channel forever and I have not been consistent at all, but 2020 is the year. It is. King decided that he's going to be hit by a car. So I haven't watched it yet as usual, so I'm going to get straight into the video.
I see this, you know what this mean? I said, for me I talk to you know where I go drop guys. So as me I say guys, never drop a bang up and Shay guys, and please do remember guys, share this up.
You know say King a go hard, he really a go hard, you know. Me say me want Shay fi get him back. Me want Shay fi get him back wicked. So me want him, make him put brick pan brick, and when Shay coming to just come with a banger. Yeah. So go on do your thinking, because forever Team Shay.
All over the network guys, because I don't know, when I see me come out on the road, and then know say it's a banger. A Japan Shay. Okay guys, so now watch what I go on now guys. Shay father say he want something on the road. So now me now I say what? Shay I go on bad for a long time. So watch me hard now. So guys, me now I do like no boy.
You know, say if you're not subscribed to this channel, this King and Shay channel, you should go and subscribe. May I tell them have some banger pranks, the channel really lit. And you see how O'Neal I run the prank them on Shay now. When Shay come in a good prank, you know, O'Neal can't tell him not every prank a food prank. So I want to see what kind of food prank this him have now.
One car lick me and send me over on the bank over there so. You see me I say? Yeah. They act like one car lick me, you know, and send me up on the banking and everything the guys. So, you know, remember, like, comment, subscribe and share, because guys, this is going to be an epic video. And Shay guys, yo listen. The business can dig off. Like I can't ride up on it. I want something like dig off it.
Yo, you see how much effort him a put in a little prank now. I'm gonna dig off all banking corner fi it look like say him carry dig off.
Police. Yeah, movie, yeah. Like I care, yeah. Yeah. Like I care, dig off all of it. Alright, I use one. One piece of thick nose in. Scratch off of it. Police. Okay, guys.
What Lord of God. Then I so far Carly keep going. No sir. Sitting can't bite him. Watch out. Watch him on your bad boy. See how this go. Can't bother. Watch out. My boy, they joke him in a cloth.
Get to the road. So as he come, you can see him.
So we are wait. That's how the thing about they prank here. It's like you real, you see everything not cut out. Watch out. Oh, I'm choking. She probably feels you're a prank. Come down here and that's what happened to you. Yeah, you can imagine if Karen really keep you true. So and it's not my thing, and his son supposed to well hot, you know. Kind of lie down in and supposed to sweat. With Jesus. You must have come now. Remember? Oh my God. The passerby must say where this a new madman a come from. Yeah, gee. Better go back cool shady and wait and the road go lie down when she come. What's that?
Guys, seems like this prank is gonna be failed. The next actually find out. But I know me can't see my come.
Jesus and peace. See? See where this a new madman you come from. I wonder how long have you done this up? In the real time. I wonder how long. In London, because like how long you know good come like say a good like half hour. They go on in London long.
No guys, this will get serious.
Never get upset.
Sasha, you see me? Sasha, now you just here.
Alright, finally now. So you don't even have little blood, no nothing. Carry us lick you so you don't have no blood for you, no little damage. You don't even twist up now, nothing. You just look like you're going in your bed. Watch out. Twist up yourself now. You just like you're going in your bed. You're too comfortable on the rug, I swear. Yeah, run and come. See that girl see her, she tell me say sky blue, me question it. She? When she first come up here, she will know say a prank. Margie, crow that draw backside, I'm gonna lift him up here now. I'm broke him up with you. Move, leave. No, sir. Look how much crowd this. Look how much police are prank. First of all, Haji, if you don't broke up, if you, I think that. Oh, Jesus. So you know say if Carl did lick him for two, you know, so you know say if Carl did lick him for two, the way them a move him, he done broke up somewhere. Oh fuck! No, mercy, no sir. Shay is not amused.
Hey! Don't run for that Shay and our chicken, man.
Hey, you see how Onila go on hard? I want when Shay come and the whole of them people are help her, because if so much people come in against Onila, you know, I can't wait, you know?
Everybody get text from you. Look at that, Shay. Look at that.
Oh my.
You should have been told. You should have loved it. Look better, take your foot show in the car. They're not driving, we're not making them drive off.
So yeah guys, another banger prank from O'Neil. Yeah, I have to give him props. But me know that Shay going come hard. And I can't wait. This look like it might have turned into a prank war between Shay and O'Neil. I want to know if Shay really are going to make O'Neil go on so and she not come back hard. Every day I run down her nerves. This look like it had turned out to be one prank war. So let us see if Shay is going to live up to her name, because she always have some real banger pranks. So guys, if you liked this video, comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I put out new videos, because I'm starting to come with new videos and I'm starting to be consistent. So until next time.